Yeah, thanks. Of this shloka. 46th shloka. Kundali Kumari Kutile Chandi Charachara Savitri Chamunde Gunini Guharini Guhye Gurumurte Tvam Namami Kamakshi. So here Acharya, Mukacharya says Namami Kamakshi. Hey Kamakshi, I offer my namaskarams to you. And what is that Kamakshi? Acharya lists different names of Ambal like Kundali, Kumari, Kutile, Chandi, Charachara Savitri, Chamunde. So 6 names on the top line. Then Gunini, Guharini, Guhye, Gurumurte. Five, and then Kamakshi, one more name and the end. So 6 plus 6, 12 names of Ambal are mentioned in this shloka. It is a very beautiful shloka. Each name is chosen so wisely. We can talk and talk and talk, for hours about each and every one of the name. We will try to see what is the general meaning of each name and then some interesting aspects in this shloka. First name is Kundali. What is Kundali? Kundalam means earrings, tod, right? So Kundali means that person who is wearing an earring. Ambal wears an earring apparently. We all know why. Why? Because Ambal wants to save Parameshwara. That is why Ambal wears that earring. Acharya, Shankaracharya says in Saundarya Lahari, Sudhamapyaswadhya Pratibhaya Jara Mrityu Harinim Vipadyante Vishve विधिशतमखाद्यादिविशदः करालं यक्ष्वेलं कबलितवतः कालकलना न शम्भोस्तन्मूलं तव जननि ताटङ्कमहिमा. Acharya says, even though other devas like Indra, Varuna, even Vishnu, Brahma, they drank Amritam during the Amritamatanam, they all die during the Pralaya Kalam. But Parameshwara, even though he has drunk the poison, the Hala Hala Vesham, but he stands even during the Pralaya Kalam. Why? Because of Tavajanani Tatanka Mahima. Because of your Tatanka Mahima, He Amba, He Janani. Parameshwaran, even Parameshwaran is able to live. So for strees, there is something called as Panchamangalyam. So those 5 things are supposed to bring auspiciousness to any stree and which cannot be removed or which should not be removed by any married woman. Shastra says, the netti vagadu pottu, that pottu that we keep on the on the forehead, and the tod, the earrings, mukutti, the nose rings, the tirumangalyam, and golusu and metti. So these are all the things that married women should not even remove, and Ambal stands by an example. Ambal shows, Lalita Sahasranamam says, Ambal's Tatanka Mahima. Lalita Sahasranamam says, Kamesha Baddha Mangalya Sutra Shobhita Kandara. Ambal is, Ambal wears her Tirumangalyam, Ambal wears her Tadangam, Ambal wears her Metti, Ambal wears her Golusu. Ambal say, hey, I am leading by an example, so you guys also should wear all those things. I am not saying, Ambal says, and Mukha Shankaracharya says by this nama Kundali. Next is Kumari. Kumari. Ambal's another aspect is Bala Tripura Sundari. You know, Balambika or Bala Tripura Sundari. She is Kumari. She is an unmarried young girl, right? So I offer my namaskarams to Kumari as well. And Kutile. Kutila is a special meaning for Kundalini Shakti. Again in Saundarya Lahari, Acharya says, Sudhadara Saraihi Charanayugalantar Vikalitahi Prapancham Sinchanti Punarapi Rasamnaya Mahasaha Avapya Swam Bhumim Bhujaganipamadhyuštavalayam Swamatmanam Krutva Swapishikula Kunde Kuharini. Acharya explains the Kundalini Swarupam of Ambal. Ambal resides in everybody's body as Kundalini Shakti in the Mooladhara Chakra. To that Shakti, I offer my namaskaras. Kundale, Kutile, Namami. Next is Chandi. Chandi, we all know. Chanda, Munda. There were two asuras, Chanda and Munda. The whole Devi Mahatmyam talks about various manifestations of Ambal to destroy various asuras. What are those asuras? Madhukaitapa, Mahishasura, and Chandamunda and Shumba Nishumba. All these are different asuras. In the first adhyayam, Madhukaitapa Vadam is being talked about. In the second Charitram, Mahishasura Vadam is being talked about. In the third Charitram, many different asuras like Dhumralochana, Raktabija, Chandamunda, and Shumba Nishumba asuras Vadams are being talked about. We are seeing those meanings for Devi Mahatmyam as well. I'm uploading it in every Friday. So that Ambal is called as Chandi. That Ambal who fights with those asuras. We should not think those asuras to be external asuras, but those are the Tamoguna, Rajoguna Pradhana quality that we ourselves have in our own mind. Ambal fights with those bad qualities in our mind by assuming the form of Chandi. Next, Charachara Savitri. Savitri means the progenitor. From that word only prasavam comes. You know, prasavam means giving birth to an young one, right? So Savitri means giving birth to what? Characharam. The entire universe is Ambal only. That's why Lalita Sahasranamam starts with the name Shri Mata. Only that name is more dear to Ambal because Ambal wants to identify with the motherhood. That is why even in Devi Mahatmyam there is a nama, that there is a shloka that says Yadevi Sarva Bhuteshu Matrurupena Samstita, that Ambal who is present in every woman as motherhood. To that Ambal I offer my namaskara. Striyas samastas tavadevi bheda, says another shloka in Devi Mahatmyam. Ambal, all the women that are in this universe are one or the other forms of Ambal. All the women folk can, tuki vittify their collars because they are Ambal Swarupam, Charachara Savitri. And Chamunde. Chamunde is one of the names of Kali. During, in Devi Mahatmyam, Kali Devi destroys Chanda and Munda. So Ambal gives Kali a name called as Chamunde. So Chamunde, I offer my namaskaras. Next line, Gunini. Gunini, Guna. There are three gunas: Sattva Guna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna. As Maya Shakti of Brahman, Ambal is the Adhisthana for Sattva, Rajas and Tamoguna. We are going to see about these gunas in detail in Viveka Chudamani class as well in the next week. So please stay tuned. Gunini, Ambal is Gunaswarupi. Next is Guharini. It's a beautiful name. Gu Harini. Gu means avidya. Gu means ignorance. Gu means darkness. Harini, Harati, Chorayati, the one who steals the ignorance from her devotee's mind is called as Guharini. That is why Parameshwara and Mahavishnu both are called as Hari and Hara. So Hari, Papam Harati iti Hari. The one who steals our Papam is Hari. The one who steals our Papam is Hara. Papam Harati iti Hari. Papam Harati Chorayati iti Hara. That is why when we do Archana for Shiva and Vishnu, we don't say Hariye Namaha, but for both Shiva and Vishnu, when we do Archana, the Chaturthyantam is Haraye Namaha only. The one who steals, Harati, Chorayati, that is the meaning of Hara. And here, Ambal is called as Guharini. Ambal steals or dispels the ignorance or avidya or darkness in the minds of her devotees. That is why Ambal is called as Guharini. Next is Guhye. Guhya means Rahasyam. Rahoyaga Kramaradhya Rahastarpana Tarpita, says Lalita Sahasranamam. Guhyam means Rahasyam, as the most secretive Vidya in human mind. Ambal is called as Guhya. Guha or Guhya or Guha is also another name for Parabrahma Vastu. Anoraniyan Mahato Mahiyan Atma Guhayam Nihito Syajanto, says Upanishad. Anoraniyan Mahato Mahiyan, smaller than the smallest, bigger than the biggest. Anoraniyan Mahato Mahiyan Atma Guhayam Nihito Syajanto. That Paramatma is present. Paramatma, what kind of Paramatma? Bigger than the biggest thing that you can imagine and smaller than the smallest thing that you can imagine. That Atma is present in everybody's heart, is present as everybody's heart. That is why Ambal is called as Guhya, as Paramatma. Next Nama is the most important Nama in my opinion. Gurumurte Tvam Namami Kamakshi. And that Kamakshi is present as who? Is present as Guru. Guruvai, Varuvai, Arulvai Guhane, says Arunagirinatha. All the Bhagavan, all the Ishwaras, Bhagavans are worshipped as Guru, as a teacher. Especially in Sri Vidya Upasana Marga, Guru is given equal status to Ambal. Guru and Ambal are not different. Why? Let us probe this Nama a little bit more because it is very interesting to think about. You take any other profession, be it a doctor or a pilot or a lawyer, any profession you want, and you go to that person as a client. Say you go to a doctor, and if you want to go to a doctor as a client, you have to be a patient, right? So you go to the doctor as a patient and the doctor cures you. There is no problem. There is no second question for that. When you come out from the doctor, you are not coming out as the doctor, but you are not a patient. So you go to doctor as a patient, you get recovered by the doctor, then you come out not as a patient. A doctor can do only that thing. Say a pilot, you go to a flight, the pilot renders his service, you fly from place A to place B, and then you come down. You go to the pilot as a passenger, you come out of the pilot as a passenger only. You go to a lawyer as his client, and then you come out from the lawyer as his client only. But only with teacher, you go to the teacher as a student. You go to the teacher as a very ignorant student, but what will you be coming out as? You will be coming out as another teacher. A fourth grade student can teach things to a second grade student. We all see, all these Kumans are run by student volunteers as well. They are all students, that's fine. Student is their designation. But after coming out from a teacher, the teacher confers her or his teacherhood to you. A doctor does not confer doctorhood to a patient. A lawyer does not confer lawyerhood to a client. A pilot does not confer pilothood to the passenger. But only a teacher can confer teacherhood to the student. The student, after learning from the teacher, becomes teacher as well. In the same way, Ambal confers Ambalhood to all her devotees. How do we know? Acharya says in Saundarya Lahari, Bhavani Tvam Dase Mayi Vitara Drishtim Sakarunam Itistotum Vanchan Bhavani Tvamiti Yaha, says Acharya in Saundarya Lahari. You have to imagine Ambal is present in right in front of me, and I am a dasa. I am a very poor man. I'm going to Ambal and I'm asking, hey Ambal, hey Bhavani, Tvam dase, I am your dasa. What do I want? Mayi vitara drishtim sakaruna. Cannot you please look at me with your drishti? That's what I wanted to ask. I go in front of Ambal. I'm starting to chant that line, Bhavani Tvam Dase, that's what I wanted to chant. I have started chanting Bhavani Tvam, and Ambal thinks, hey, he wants Bhavani Tvam. Means what? Bhavani Hood, Ambal Hood, Ambal Ness. That's what he wants. Oh, I cannot stop giving him that. Even though his original intent is what? He only wants my Karuna, but he asked for Bhavanitvam. I'm going to give myself to him, says Ambal. Acharya says Ambal gives herself to her devotees. That is why here Ambal is called as Gurumurte. Just like how a guru, just like a secular, even in terms of our day-to-day life, as a secular profession, a teacher makes another teacher. Teacher makes their student another teacher. Ambal, Gurumurti, she makes Ambal out of everybody, says Acharya in Saundarya Lahari. That's why here says Gurumurte Tvam Namami Kamakshi. And meaning for the word Guru is same as Guharini. Gu means avidya. Ru means remover or dispeller. So Guru is the one who removes the avidya among the students, is called as Guru. There is a shloka that says Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Yomavat Vyapta Dehaya Shri Dakshina Murtaye Namaha. Guru dispels the Bheda, the difference between I, Ishvara, and Guru. There are three things in Vedanta called as Triputi: knower, known, and the knowledge. Knower, I am the knower. Known, Ambal is the known. Ambal is the object. I am the subject. And my Guru is the knowledge. And what does Guru do? Guru basically removes the difference between Ambal, myself, and himself. That is why we say After coming out of a guru, what happens? Guru makes you realize that you are no different from himself, and you are no different from Ambal as well. Since Ambal as Guru Mandala Rupini, as Jnana Prasunambika, somebody posted in a WhatsApp group, as Shiva Jnana Pradayini, Ambal confers that knowledge. Ambal confers that Advaita Jnanam, and by conferring Advaita Jnanam, Ambal confers her own hood on to everybody else. That is why here Acharya calls Ambal as Gurumurte Twam Namami Kamakshi. Kamakshi, the meaning of the name we all know. To that Kamakshi, I offer my namaskaras. Beautiful shlokas worth chanting every day in our daily prayers. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Thanks a lot. நம்ம next week பார்க்கலாம். Bye bye.
Thank you.